Foundation repairs are expensive, and that makes homeowners an easy target for unqualified or dishonest contractors that provide low bids, high pressure sales, vague scopes of work that can lead to incomplete repairs, wasted money out of your pocket, and problems returning, maybe potentially even worse later. Homeowners want peace of mind, not surprises. What you really want to know is, how do you avoid getting scammed and make sure you have a qualified and honest contractor? I'm Austin with Anchor Foundation Repair, and we've been repairing foundations here in the Brazos Valley area for the past 40 years. We've seen every single bad repair imaginable and know what red flags to look for in determining whether your contractor is honest or dishonest. And we're here to help educate homeowners so they can make smart, informed decisions whether they choose us or not. So here are some typical red flags to avoid when you're looking at a foundation repair contractor. Contractors who will not give a written scope of work, one that has no warranty and that's full of loopholes in their proposal. They didn't take any time with you as the homeowner to walk around your house and see the issues that have you concerned and worried. Don't have any kind of measuring device, whether that's a 4-foot framers level, which we use, or some type of measurement device. Also be wary of one-day repairs that seem too good to be true. And lastly, high pressure sales tactics. All of these are going to be red flags of a contractor maybe to be a little hesitant about before approving anything. What are some green flags that a contractor can have when it comes to foundation repair, and things that you should be looking for and that every good contractor should have? Number one is a contractor who has a very clear explanation of the problem and why it's happening. Number two is a transparent pricing with no surprise add-ons or going to have a bunch of change orders that might be involved. Very clear and straightforward. Next is going to be a realistic timeline, something that's not way far out in the future. I'm talking like a year in the future, and something that not too soon, like a day after the inspection they're able to start, which is just really unrealistic. One of the biggest ones is having a written warranty and documentation. You want a contractor that's going to have a solid warranty, one that they're going to stand behind and honor if it's ever needed. And probably the biggest one of all to really know if your contractor is trustworthy and you're not going to be getting scammed is proof of experience and real customer reviews. Some easy things you can do to determine where your contractor might be hitting on all of these different topics is, number one, ask questions. Talk to your contractor. It's very simple. Compare more than just the price. There is way more that goes into a foundation repair other than just money. There is methods and techniques. Compare everything before deciding to approve your foundation repairs. And lastly, ensure the contractor's method matches the actual problem and what needs to be done. What should you do next? Research your contractor. Know before you sign that that is who you want to go with. If you have any sense of uneasiness about it, and it's probably not a good decision, you might want to do some more research. Look for the transparency, experience, and clear communication with your contractor. And when in doubt, get a second opinion. It can save you thousands.